back to 5 Minute Drum Lessons, where we get it done in 5 minutes or less. On today's agenda, a little ghost note groove and a great way to work on developing the ghost notes on the snare drum. So if you're not using ghost notes very much in your playing, it is definitely a great way to add depth to the grooves you're playing. And if you are playing ghost notes, it's very important to really differentiate the ghost notes between the louder notes and not just have like accent notes and then slightly softer notes. You want louder accent notes and then really soft. So when you're thinking about ghost notes, really try to exaggerate how soft they are. And keep in mind, when we're playing them, we're just tapping the drum lightly from just above the drum head. You're keeping the fingers wrapped around, you're not opening the hand up, and you're not lifting the stick. Don't lift it up before playing. Just literally learn to tap the drum very lightly. So this groove is based on 16th note, like a 16th note hi-hat groove with two hands, where you go 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and we're gonna do ghost notes on the left hand. So the right hand plays normal, and you're gonna go 1E and nice and soft on the left hand. And I'm just gonna put the bass drum on 1 and 3 for now. So you're going 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and then you just move the left hand over to the snare and play the same groove. And this is a great way to work on the left hand ghost notes, because the left hand doesn't have to go back and forth between loud notes and ghost notes. So you can really just work on mastering your ghost note there. So you're just going 1E and a 2E and a 3. And once you're feeling comfortable with that, you can vary the bass drum placements. And just keep in mind that if you're playing the bass drum on the beat or on the ands, it's going to be at the same time as the hi-hat. And if you're playing it on the E's or the U's, it's going to be at the same time as the left hand. And so that can be a little tricky too, because you're doing a soft note on the left hand and a loud note on the bass drum. So as you're working on it, just keep in mind that adding notes where the hi-hat plays or where the right hand plays is going to be a little more straightforward. And then once you're comfortable with that, you can look at like the U's, 1E and 2. So 1E and 2. And the E's, 1E and a 2E and a 3E. So just a great groove to have in your back pocket and work on your ghost notes. So that's it for now. Hope you got something out of the video. Thank you for joining me. Any questions, let me know, and see you on the next one.